Alright, shovel time, manual labor. Steps are 6 feet wide by 100 feet long. The top is 4 feet wide. Let's see how this goes. Blizzard 2021. Put it at the top. Alright, well, that was fun. Now to the back deck. The only problem is I need oil too, so I should probably track a line up to my tank with my snowblower across the front yard. But I might got another week, so we'll see how much melt we get. Yeah. This one doesn't slide as nice because it's definitely not Trex. It's wood and it needs to be redone, so everything sticks to it. Trex is nice because it slides off. This will take me probably 3 times as long as the front piece, strictly because it's wood. Alright, game on.